Another question is, do you determine your hair type on wet or dry hair? So I would recommend that you do it on dry hair. When your hair is dry, it is usually very much prone to shrinkage, but it is also the best, most real example of how your hair actually is. So if you have a look at your hair without much products in, so all I've got in my hair is, well, I shampooed and conditioned it, and then I put in some of my custom hair butter as well. So after that, I've not got much products in my hair. You can still see that there's a bit of frizz and that sort of stuff, which is completely fine, again, completely normal. But you kind of want to look at a fully formed curl and try to distinguish what this is. So is it a wave? Is it a curl? Is it a coil? And then from that, you'll be able to distinguish if your hair, what your hair type is, what your curl pattern is. But yes, I would recommend that you do that on dry hair.